Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the YouTube ReVanced extended buffering problem in 2025. So step 1, make sure that your ReVanced app is up to date. Go to your ReVanced manager and check for updates for both the app and the micro G. Step 2, clear the cache and data. Go to your phone settings, then apps, then click ReVanced, and then storage, and then tap clear cache and clear data. Step 3. Adjust the video quality settings. Go to your Vanced app and go to the settings, and then video settings, and then set the default quality to 720p or auto to reduce the buffering. Step 4. Disable sponsor block temporarily. Some users reported that sponsor block causes playback stalls. Disable it in the Vanced settings and test playback. Step 5. Switch your DNS. Use a faster DNS provider like Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 by installing their app or adjusting it via Android's private DNS settings. Step 6. If the problem continues, try reinstalling the Revanced or switch to a different base version of YouTube during patching. So that's it. This should fix the long buffering issue for most users. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.